Can Xiaomi become the next flagship champion? What is up, guys? I'm back with another review, and today we have the latest smartphone by Xiaomi, and they are calling it Civi. So far, Xiaomi has been pretty tight-lipped about the details of the new smartphone series, but a few details have slipped out, and we have the final design of the device. By the time I am making this video for you guys, it has been 3 days since the new Xiaomi Civi has been released in China, but there is no date available on the global release of the device. It is confirmed that Civi, along with other upcoming smartphones, will reach some Asian markets like India, but according to the news coming from China so far, they have decided to keep this smartphone specific to the Chinese market. Though the company has not revealed details about its upcoming series, it is believed that the upcoming smartphone will be an upgraded version of the Xiaomi CC lineup, which was introduced in 2019 in the Chinese market. The Mi CC9 lineup includes models like Mi CC9, Mi CC9e, Mi CC9 Meitu Custom Edition, and Mi CC9 Pro. The Xiaomi Civi is a lightweight smartphone coming in at just 166 grams and in 6.9mm thin and 71.5mm wide, bringing to mind the similarity Lite and svelte Mi 11 Lite. So those on the hunt for a more ergonomic phone will want to keep an eye on this one. The rest of the Civi is pretty solid too, featuring a Snapdragon 778G chipset, a 6.55-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus OLED panel, and a 4,500 mAh battery with 55 watts wired charging. Xiaomi's latest phone also serves up a triple rear camera system, nearly a 64-megapixel main shooter, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 120-degree field of view, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The Chinese manufacturer is also bringing a 32-megapixel camera up front in a center-mounted punch hole cutout, complete with autofocus and support for slow-mo videos. Xiaomi claims that the selfie camera offers pixel-level skin rotation capabilities, but a comparison posted by Xiaomi suggests this boils down to aggressively removing blemishes and cranking up the skin smoothing effect. Other notable features include NFC, support for Quick Charge 4+, and PD 3.0 charging standards, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, and MIUI 12.5 atop Android 11. So if you're interested in this smartphone, you will have to wait and see if Xiaomi decides to release it on the global markets. So which one is your favorite Xiaomi smartphone so far? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button with the notifications on and leave a like. I will see you in the next one.